What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today because I just moved into my brand new place, which is actually a loft. It has like super high ceilings, lots of space inside of it so that I can store all of my video equipment. I can actually work from here. I actually built out this YouTube studio that I'm actually pretty excited to go ahead and make a video about as well, but I still have to make a custom desk and things like that. But anyway, got the new setup going, guys. And yeah, like I said earlier, I'm super pumped, but let's get right into the video. Today, I wanted to go over 3 AI tools that I use every single day to help land clients, to help edit the videos, and to just make my life more efficient. Guys, if you guys don't know about artificial intelligence, you guys are pretty much under a rock because it is flowing the market and there's all these different tools that are hitting the market. But you do also need to be careful because what I have found is that some of these AI tools, they basically make it seem like they'll solve all of your problems and that there's these great softwares out on the market, but then you actually try them out and you pay for their subscription and it doesn't work. Like, it's just like they market it like it'll fix all your problems, but the output is complete trash. But there's a lot of videos right now about different AI tools and things like that. But what I wanted to do specifically was just tell you guys about the AI tools that I use every single day on a day-to-day basis, and just kind of leave out all of the other ones just to make it a super simple and quick video. So let's get into the first one. So guys, the first AI software that I use is called Topaz Labs. So what Topaz does is it basically has a bunch of different features that allows you to enhance your video. It is pretty costly. It costs about $300, but believe it or not, the software works extremely well. And it also has a bunch of other things that you can do. For example, you could slow down your clips like extremely fast. Like, you could take something that's 24 frames per second and make it like 150 or 200 or even more. I'm not sure what the specific specs are, but I know for sure that you can slow down the video and it works very, very well. Something that we have not been able to do to this degree for a very, basically ever. So that's pretty cool that that feature is included. But again, the main purpose of that software is to enhance the actual videos. So for example, let's say that you have a 1080 clip, or even you have a 4K clip and you see that there's some noise and that it didn't come out as crispy and as clear as you want. This software will actually enhance the video. Even if it's like kind of out of focus or it doesn't look great, you can put your original footage into the software, and then you can output it into like 8K or 4X the actual scale that it's currently at. And I've been using it for some of my cinematic videos where, I still shot it in a pretty high quality, like 4K or even 6K on my Blackmagic, but every once in a while a shot just doesn't come out the way that I envisioned it within camera. Maybe it was due to lighting, maybe it was due to the surroundings, but you can actually put that into Topaz Labs, export it into a higher quality, and then now you have a better overall image. And then another thing I'll even do, which is probably overkill, but let's say that you export a entire video and it just, again, there's some imperfections and there's some things that you would like to make it look crispier and a little bit more sharper. I will run the entire video through Topaz Labs and then export that video out so that now you have a full, high quality, crispy looking footage. So check it out. That is the first AI software. Okay, so the next AI software that I use on a day-to-day basis is called Snuv.io. Guys, this software is extremely powerful for outreach in any business that you do that is B2B. What it allows you to do is scrub websites for email addresses of the specific marketing director, sales director, CEO. It will basically pull every single email address, from that domain, put it into a concise information, and then you can pick each individual person that you want to outreach. So that's just the breaking point of this software. You can actually set up drip campaigns for email marketing. You can warm up the emails. You can send out mass emails and so much more. And guys, I legitimately use Snuv.io on a day-to-day basis to help me and my business to just do more and more outreach. So yeah, I can definitely dive deeper on another video into Snuv.io because I do believe there's so much value there. But check it out. I'm sure you guys will get some value just using the free version or even paying for a premium version if you guys think that you'll actually find some use in that product. Okay guys, so getting into the last is obviously ChatGPT. And I know that there's so many different variations of ChatGPT, so I'm not going to get into it. But essentially, the reason I even wanted to bring it up, because I wanted to let people know that this actual AI software is a lot more than just a search engine. So ChatGPT, what I specifically use it for, is really to compose emails, fix vocabulary, and just create better messaging, create better captions. I'm actually really bad at spelling and grammar. So as soon as ChatGPT came out, I was like, oh wow, this is gonna solve so many of my issues. I've always been a creator who is good at math and good at, learning softwares and using video, but I could never nail spelling and vocabulary. And with these new AI softwares, you guys don't have to. You can just check yourself through ChatGPT, and that's specifically what I mainly use it for. It's also really good for actually gathering information for a new video, or just gathering, lists of companies that you guys would want to reach out to. So sometimes we'll use ChatGPT to basically just like scrub and find different email addresses to allow us to reach out to more and more people. But those are the main two use cases that I actually use ChatGPT for. And there's so many different variations of what you guys can do with ChatGPT. But I wanted to explain to you guys what I specifically use it for. So guys, that was pretty much the top 3 AI softwares that I use on a day-to-day basis. And I'm very certain that this is going to change in the future. So I'm definitely going to release some more videos as I learn more and more about this AI software and how I can use it for my business, for my video production. I'm super excited to see where these softwares can take you. Some people are a little bit worried and a little bit scared of AI because of the potentials, but if you guys can use it for the right reasons and you guys can adapt this to your business and adapt it to you personally, it's going to allow you to accomplish whatever you're trying to do in a much shorter amount of time if you use them correctly. And believe it or not, it's still really early in the game with AI. And a lot of people are not jumping onto this new era, which is actually a huge advantage for us creators and people who are willing to adapt to new technologies and take advantage of the fact that these people will take a much longer time to adapt. So I'm going to stay on top of it. I hope you guys stay on top of AI as well. As mentioned before, this is my brand new channel. I'm going to be posting videos every single Friday. I literally have 2 cameras set up now. I have professional lighting. I have a super crazy loft. I'm super excited for it, guys. And this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave down a like. Make sure to leave down a comment if you guys have any tips and tricks. And if you guys suggest any other AI softwares that I might be able to use or I might be able to explore and talk about, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, peace out.